Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2016 Ford Escape. Stock number is A8045. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels wrapped with Michelin tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have rear backup sensors and a camera on the back. Taking a look in the hatch, there's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Power assist liftgate, so it's simply the press of a button. Taking a look inside now. You have cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls. Full touchscreen, that includes your stereo, dual climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Ford on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.